Hello Honey Crunchers! In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did my pizza nails. After I applied my peel off base coat, I used a yellow nail polish for my base color. All of the products that I'm using in today's video are listed on the description box below. Let's paint the pizza crust using a dotting tool. Make sure to do a wavy line for your pizza crust. Now, let's add some toppings. Add some red dots randomly onto your nails. Next, get a green nail polish and a dotting tool and put some short lines. Then get your smallest dotting tool and add some tiny black dots. Then let them all dry and apply top coat. And there you have it. If you enjoyed today's video, hit like. And for more videos, click the subscribe button to be a part of the Honey Crunchers. Never forget to follow me on Instagram and on WordPress. If you want to give this look a try, tag me on your pictures on Instagram and I will really love to see them. And before this video ends, I want to know what your favorite pizza flavor is. So, leave it on the comment section below. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!